A victim's rights matter because, for the most part, the victim is the only one that didn't volunteer to be part of this whole process. Justice demands that we give the defendant some rights. Decency demands that we give the victim their rights as well.
Crimes occur against people, individuals and organizations, and it is their experience of the crime, the cost to them, the impact to them that matters in terms of looking at the crime as a whole.
And they should know everything that's going on with their case. They should not be held in the dark.
Victims' rights matter because it gives the victims a voice in the system and allows them to participate.
And allowing a victim to participate in the system creates fairness and balance throughout the criminal justice process.
Why do victims' rights matter? They matter to me. Without victims' rights, I wouldn't have the right to be in the courtroom and face the people that were accused of murdering my son. It matters to me every time I get a call and there's a reconsideration hearing. It matters to me when they say that I have the right to be the voice for my son. Victims' rights matter to me.
On the national level, NCVLI's work allows attorneys in different jurisdictions to come to court with the best arguments they can. They're able to advocate for their clients with not only the knowledge of the law in their own jurisdiction, but what's happening around the country.
I think NCVLI is providing the framework for future crime victims' rights across the nation. They are providing advocacy on a basis that is building up rights so that they will be stronger and more effective for every survivor in every state.
NCVLI is just such a tremendous resource. Their expertise is so wide from working with so many different victim services organizations across the country that if we run into an issue here, it is rare that NCVLI will not have seen that in some jurisdiction, have some research, have some expertise, and is able to lend technical assistance to an area that may be novel in our jurisdiction. And especially because they work with so many different service organizations across the country, not only will they have expertise, but a lot of times the solutions are more innovative and outside the box.
The team at NCVLI adds greatly to the work that we do for victims in Arizona.
I could not do my work without NCVLI. I have called them during the legislative session here in Texas and asked for last-minute help, and they have been there to provide it. So thank you, NCVLI.
And we see with our clients, with that really great advocacy that NCVLI provides to the attorneys, that our clients are much more satisfied with the outcome of a case or their experience in a case.
Thank you to NCVLI and your extraordinary staff and volunteers for all of the ways that you make meaningful change happen for victims. After over a decade of collaborating together, we have been successful in supporting and securing the rights of rape victims in multiple cases. In one case, thanks to your guidance, we were able to reverse the ruling of a judge that a rape victim watched the video of her own rape in open court. And more recently, we successfully kept the details of the gruesome kidnapping, repeated rapes, and torture of a young girl out of the public indictment. These victims and other victims you've helped have a meaningful opportunity to participate in the criminal justice system and a step ahead in their healing process. Thank you.
I truly owe a huge debt of gratitude to the National Crime Victims Law Institute. They successfully championed a lawsuit for me against the parole board when they were trying to silence my voice from speaking at my offender's parole hearing. The confidence and the boldness that I gained from that experience truly has really propelled me, I think, into a lot of what I do today as a victim advocate and activist.